US equity funds observed heavy outflows in the week ended 12 June as some investors booked profits and exercised caution ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy decision. The Nasdaq recorded a fifth straight record closing high on Friday following gains in Adobe and other technology-related shares, while the S&P 500 and Dow ended slightly lower. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq scored record closing highs on Monday as technology shares rallied on enthusiasm over artificial intelligence. US markets will be closed on Wednesday for the June 18th holiday. Asian stocks gained on Tuesday after a rally in several large technology companies drove US stocks to another record high. China's retail sales beat expectations in May, climbing 3.7% compared with a year ago. China's industrial output grew by 5.6% year-on-year, compared to the 6% increase expected. Markets ended the week last Friday on a positive note as the Nifty ended with decent gains. Nifty finally gained 66.7 points or 0.29% to close at 23,465.6. Nifty formed a long-legged doji on daily charts on 14th June, suggesting possibility of a reversal. However, on weekly charts, Nifty gained 0.75% and negated the bearish formation of hanging man formed in the previous week by closing above the top of that pattern. A move above 23490 could nullify the bearish indication on daily charts. Nifty could stay in the 23,290 to 23,695 band for the near term with a mild bullish bias.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.